massive backpacking unboxing. Okay, just about 4 or 5 things. So I buy and look at a lot of backpacking gear. So I thought it'd be kind of fun to show you guys exactly just a small slice of that, what I've purchased recently, what I'm going to be having a look at in the future. Pretty much 99% of this is stuff that I've purchased myself. There's only one thing, and I'll be sure to let you guys know what that is, that was sent to me. Links, of course, will be in the description, but I do have a P.O. box, and I'm starting something new, very similar to what Syntax does in his mail call type videos. But this is more of a backpacking unboxing video, a little bit more informal, where we talk about some gear that I'm unboxing. But I have a P.O. box, and so some things I'll be doing is if you want to send gear, it doesn't guarantee a video review, but I'll go ahead and check it out, most likely in a video very similar to this one, as well as stickers. I've got a lot of questions about how to get stickers. I have these UV laminated kind of vinyl outdoor stickers that if you're interested in having kind of your own, just go ahead and send me a self-addressed, self-stamped envelope to the P.O. box that's in the description, as well as include $1, please. I'm not making any huge amounts of money off these stickers. They're more expensive because they're UV laminated, and so they're made for the outdoors. And so I think I calculated, I think I'll be making 40 cents per sticker. So it's not a lot, but it just helps me cover the cost of ordering more stickers, and that's where most of the money from stickers will go. Gotta be careful with most of these. Woohoo! That is really cool. I know, I bought a tent. This is the Tarp Tent Rain Shadow 3, and it was recently kind of redone, or this is their newest model of Tarp Tent Rain Shadow. And so that's kind of cool. Nice little postcard. That was neat. Let's see what we got here. And yep, I did purchase this myself. And I got their seam sealer kit, but the weather has just been awful. The seam sealer kit, which I just didn't want to bother to kind of go get my own mineral spirits and silicone, so it was just simpler just to go ahead and do that myself. And I have to use it within 3 weeks, ASAP. It's been raining a lot, so we'll see if I'll have to go purchase those mineral spirits anyway. So very cool. Rain Shadow 3. The idea is that I'm going to be using this for the kids when we go camping. Yeah, it holds kind of 3 adults or 3 larger pads. So with my kids as small as they are right now, I'm hoping that we might be able to just fit my wife and 3 kids in the Rain Shadow 3 and maybe in the hammock. But yeah, it's really cool design. I'll show you what it looks like set up. But see, basic setup is very easy, take about 2 minutes. And so I'm pretty excited about this. I'm actually considering, I have a trip coming up out west that I'm considering using this tent for, and just kind of sharing it with Subaru Josh, because I think it only weighs, my memory will fail me, under 3 pounds for sure, maybe a smidge over 2 pounds. But this purchase is sponsored in part by those of you guys who go over and support the channel on Patreon. So thank you so much for doing that. It allows me to kind of continue my quest on getting kind of truly independent backpacking gear reviews, where the only people who are influencing a review are you and me. And let's see. Oh. This one is the only thing that was sent to me, but I thought it's something that I could possibly use, and maybe you'll get to see it in future videos. I just kind of want to check out the performance of it. Hey, I don't know why I'm using kid scissors. I probably should be using a knife, shouldn't I? And it's this outdoor extreme energy battery pack. And so supposedly it's more rugged. The link for this is in the description. It's more rugged and, oh yes, heavy duty. Wow. Oh, yeah, you guys have seen, these are kind of a dime a dozen, but this one kind of struck me not just because it has the solar, but it just seemed more intense looking. It probably is heavier, but it just looks like it's made to last a lot. So let's see, you have these little loops. Let's see what we have. We have kind of two USB inputs right there, and just to charge. Oh, and it has a mini USB or micro USB. So wow, I have to look at this and see all the different, yep, those are the two outputs for charging, and those are the two inputs. Impressive. I always use these battery packs, so. And it comes with carabiner, charging cable, instructions. It's like a lanyard loop carabiner. Cool. I'll be sure to check that out. Let's see, I'm saving these ones for later. So this thing finally came. What this is, and I opened this one earlier, of course, because I knew it was down in here. I didn't want to compress it for the entire, however long it took me to film this video. But this is the Mass Drop Pine Down Blanket. Those of you who follow me on Facebook know I kind of commented and let you guys know that I thought this thing was really cool. I think it cost me, and I purchased this myself again, $125, maybe $100. I'll put here however much it was and put a link down in the description. But this thing is awesome. It's really soft material. I wanted something, the main issue with the Costco down blanket for me is I'm a tall guy, 6'1", kind of pushing 6'2", and so the Costco down blanket, eventually if you try to pull it up close to your head, your feet will stick out because it's just not long enough. This one solves that problem. It's a lot longer, has higher quality down, it has responsibly sourced down as well, and it seemed like it fit all my needs, and it will probably fill in the lower level temperatures, the warmer temperatures, where I have my Enlightened Equipment 20-degree quilt, and the Costco was supposed to kind of cover anything that was kind of warmer than that. You're talking, anything above 40 degrees at least. This, I'm actually pretty confident. This is only about 19 ounces. I'm really confident that the baffles are sewn through, but I'm really confident, even without testing it, just based on the loft that I'm seeing, that this will kind of take the place of my Costco down quilt for those warmer temperatures. Really excited to test this one out. You'll definitely see this in future videos. I'm probably gonna be taking this out west because temperatures are not supposed to get lower than the 40s where we are, and I'll test this out before then, but I'm really confident this will be almost too warm. The foot box, so it's a blanket, but it does cinch up at the foot. Very similar to the Enlightened Equipment Revelation. A link is down in the description. I believe that will be a referral link because all Mass Drop links are referral links. You kind of have to join or sign up in order to kind of see their prices. So Mass Drop, if you haven't heard of it, and their down blanket, I'm really excited about that. That's probably, that and the Tarp Tent are two things I'm super excited about checking out. And kids are playing in the backyard. Let's see what we have here. I was afraid of cutting something. Oh, I got multiple things here. I only expected one, and I purchased these. So no disclaimer. Okay, I purchased this from Kiva Outdoors. I don't know if you guys have heard of them or not, but it's a venture started by Devin from Backcountry Exposure and his buddy are starting this kind of outdoor store. They're kind of starting small, which I think is a smart thing to do. But they have these basin bags, and my plan is to use this one. This is the Granddaddy basin bag. So I'm hoping to use this for a food bag on those shorter trips. And so that's the idea, at least maybe 2 or 3 nights worth of food. You can put clothes in it as well, but I'm thinking it is waterproof, and I purchased the one with the Irritech waterproof zipper. Has a loop, so you can just hang it from wherever, just like this. And looking forward to using it. Now this one, I got a note. Ah, nice. Kiva Outdoors sticker. Oh, nice. So I see, so I didn't buy everything. Devin was nice enough. I purchased the Granddaddy basin bag, and this one we'll go over in a second. And this is all waterproof stuff, and it has waterproof zippers, except for this one. We've added a little basin bag to your order as a gift for being awesome. Thanks, Devin. Feel free to share this on YouTube as well as your other 2 bags. Thanks for your friendship. Can't wait. Yes, yes. July is going to be awesome. Those of you guys who don't know, I'm teasing it. You'll start to see a little bit more. But I am going out to Utah in July and kind of having a good time out there. So that'll be fun. Looking forward to seeing this. So this is the little basin bag. You saw the Granddaddy, and I wanted to make sure I kind of got orange, something that stood out when it's hanging, as well as this little bag. And so this one probably I would use probably as a ditty bag, maybe as a first aid bag. I'll have to weigh them all, see how much they are. But that one's cool. But another bag that I got, and I don't know if Devin was on the way to kind of making these, but you guys know that I use this trail wallet, and just this little thing, but it's waterproof. It has the Irritech is what I think it's called, waterproof zipper. It's a blue, bright blue color, so in case I drop it, this is not really a natural color, so I'll pick it out more often, even in the fall or anything where you have yellow or orange leaves. But trail wallet, so my ID, I used to use kind of a binder clip, but that kind of became annoying, and I kind of became worried that sometimes the binder clip would come loose, and my ID, what did I carry? I carry my ID, credit cards, some cash, health insurance cards in case anything happens or people find me somewhere. That's a little morbid to say, I know, but just kind of staying smart. And also, I wanted something that I could double as a rock bag. And so what I do when I hang my food bag up is I'll attach a line to this, of course, but if I need a rock bag, if I don't have a large stick or something handy that I can clove hitch around, I'll put rocks in this. They have loops on them. I throw this up and over the branch, and that's my idea of kind of doubling up what I have. But thanks, Devin, for the extra gift. I appreciate that. But yeah, that's kind of my first massive backpacking gear unboxing. Maybe it'll be a regular thing. Remember, down below in the description is a P.O. box. If you're someone who wants to send gear for me to check out, it doesn't guarantee a video review, but like I said before, it probably will be in a video like this one, as well as if you want a sticker. If you want a sticker, just go ahead and include $1 and a self-addressed, self-stamped envelope, or you just want to write me a note, you don't want a sticker, just to say, hey, go ahead and do that. Thanks as always for watching, guys. This was kind of fun for me to do. It was killer kind of waiting to make this video because I knew I had some of these things sitting there. But I was like, oh, let me just go ahead and film it so you guys kind of get a taste of what I do, I guess, and what backpacking gear I'm reviewing or having a look at. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Peace.